Welcome back to part
Microwave
2. Microwave ultra killing. I don't know.
Welcome to microwave.
God, you
what?
can barely even recognize it.
I'm sure you do
I'm
fine.
sure I'll do fine.
You're gonna make it.
I don't even know. I can't even see, dude. I'm just hoping I'm going the right way. Yep, I've made it. I forgot about the ferryman. Come here. I can't see him. I can't see him. God damn it.
Grab him by the nuts.
Grab his dick and twist it.
Real big If you shoot the server eye in the head with that, it does more damage. I learned that in the ship before.
Oh, congratulations, pal. So proud of you.
Thank you!
Wait, hold on, wait. Muscle memory. Oh, god damn it.
Remember, you can
Did you know there's a Weezer Green? Are you aware of this fact?
What?
Yeah, there's a Weezer Green. You know how there's like a Weezer Blue? There's
I'm
also
not
a
a real engaged.
I can't see him. Dear God, this is actually horrible. Oh. Ooh, that was close. Okay. Well, I made it past the Weezer room.
Hello, Michael. Welcome to Weezer.
Oh my god, this is gonna be actually horrible.
What is depth perception? What is depth perception?
Baby, don't hurt me. Oh.
What is depth perception?
Baby, don't hurt me.
That rules.
I don't know where anyone is.
Look out behind you!
God damn it.
Lieutenant Dan!
How am I gonna get past the stalker room, dude?
I don't know if you will.
I don't think I will. What did I just hit? There you are.
Yeah. Check that point, boy.
Alright, there we go. There's... Oh wait, I just realized I can't stall here. Fuck!
I don't even remember the layout.
If only I had my jackhammers. God damn it. Oh my god, this is gonna suck. Only true ultrakill players P-2 on microwave. What? Hey man. I didn't even account for the other one. Where's the other one at? I didn't even kill that first one. God damn it. I don't think this is possible.
It's possible.
Well, I mean, yes, it is possible, but not for someone of my skills.
Possible.
I can't even see the swords machines. I can just see a yellow haze, dude. Okay, I heard the shockwave, so one's dead. Here's the other one. Is it open now? It's open now! Oh, good parry. One's down. Where's the other one at? Oh, on the go. Oh my god, look at him. Look at him. He's a square. He's just a square. Am I gonna actually try and do the insurrectionists?
I'm sure you do. I believe in you, Prop Stain.
Dead. Easiest fight yet. Oh my god, time for the spaghetti tunnel of despair and never-ending doom.
Oh, I just hate that spaghetti.
Oh yeah, how'd you know? Oh fuck. Oh shit. Hey man, what are you doing all the way over here? There's still another one? No, I think the other one died through the spaghetti tunnel. I forget, who else is in this tunnel? Oh, Maurice. Okay, one half of the tunnel down. Oh, I forgot there was lightning. Ah! God damn it. I tried choosing it. That's my punishment. They call me the cheddar. God damn it. I really hope I'm going the right way. Yeah, I am. Aha! Yes, I'm a genius. Call me a bitch if you want, I don't care.
He's a bitch.
Oh, thank you. Uh-oh, uh-oh. I mean, that's one way to stop the thing from hitting me. Okay. Okay. Aha, I did it. Okay, now I just gotta handle the fucking Cerberus. Those who like the ball. You can't even see them. I hope I'm hitting them. Considering all the green on the side of my screen, I'm assuming that's a yes. Shit, I forgot this shotgun sent me forward. Not like this. Okay. Oh, this is gonna suck. Okay, what was the order for this again? I don't know. There were a bunch of strays in this room. What the fuck is going on? Oh, there's still source machine alive. That's what. He's massive here. Ah! Darn. I can't even tell what weapon I have on half the time, dude. Quite literally just the epitome of spray and pray. I saw the ferryman do a 360 flip on me. Oh, ferryman sanded. You know, what if I just keep this up? Surely nothing will go wrong. I'm telling you, Shirley, nothing will go wrong. Oh shit, I got him! God damn it, I missed him. I need your food. I require sustenance. Oh, you're sanded now. I hope I'm hitting him. Oh my god, he went flying. I don't know where he is. I'm scared. I'm scared. Is that's the second base? Damn it! You know, maybe I should start using the number keys. Should not have done that. Okay. What? Oh, it's a stray. Hang on. God damn it. stalker. Damn it. Holy moly.
I believe in you.
I'm trying my best. I swear. I was really close that time. I know it's possible. Is that a source machine? There's still one alive. Apparently there was. God, this is like as bad as doing it blindfolded, dude. Are they all just going to the hideous mass? Is there still a victory left? I don't know. Okay, I forgot about the Cerberus. How many of them are there? There's 2 of them? I forgot they were sanded. God damn it.
soon.
25 minutes. Holy moly. I don't even know if I'm heading the right way. Oh, hello?
But
God, biggest challenge of P-2 yet. Find the fucking terminal. Ah, there we go. Are you sure? No. As if you had a choice. Yeah, I get it. Alright, do I... Where's my buddy at? Don't I have a buddy here?
nope,
Ah,
no friends. Alone.
yeah, there he is. Can I even... Okay, yeah, I can kind of make this out. Nope.
You're gonna make out with me?
Yeah! How'd you know?
Wow.
Alright, and now I get to have fun with the jackhammers, finally. Alright.
Oh, jacking the hammer.
That's so much hard damage. Oh my god. God damn it. There we go.
This prison to hold me.
Come along, Sisyphus. Come out to play. Yeah, there we go.
A visitor.
Hey, man.
Indeed, I have slept.
Oh, you just keep looking
The
towards me.
kingdom of
That's
heaven
not
has
fun.
long since forgotten my name. Eager to make them remember.
Oh my god, I forgot how squishy everything was.
None of this stays with you can't escape.
Why was he just standing there? Oh yeah, that's right.
That's it.
God, I love the jackhammer so much. Oh, I don't know how to parry that. Well, that was a shocker.
So concludes the life and time of Sisyphus. A fitting end to an existence defiled by futile struggle. Doomed from the very start.
There we
And I
go.
don't regret a second minute.
Hang on, wait, I forgot. There we go. Oh my god, he's still alive. What a fireworks show. I did it. I beat P-2 on a microwave.
Congratulations, Michael.
Yeah, I'm the microwaver. I beat. Let this be my first. Let this be the very first official P-2 microwave % speedrun. Yeah.
Fuck you, Michael.
Yeah, microwave % speedrun. Anyways, goodbye.